Today, I want to give you motivation for learning English. English is not only a subject in school, English is a bridge to the world. With English, you can read books, listen to music, watch movies, and travel to new places. With English, you can also meet people, make friends, and share your ideas. English opens many doors. Behind every door, there is a new dream and a new chance. Sometimes people think English is too hard for me. I cannot learn. But that is not true. Learning English is like walking on a road. If you walk step by step, you will arrive. If you learn word by word, you will grow. Even one small step is progress. Even one new word is success. When you learn today and learn again tomorrow, your English becomes stronger. Every person who speaks English well started with small words. They started with hello, good morning, thank you. They made mistakes. They tried again. Slowly, they became better. This is also possible for you. You do not need to be fast. You only need to keep moving. Remember this, small steps every day can bring you to a big dream. Sometimes you will feel slow. Sometimes you will feel weak. This is normal. Do not be afraid. Do not stop. Slow progress is still progress. Even if you learn one new word, it is important. Even if you write one small line, it is progress. Small steps build a big road. Small seeds grow into big trees. This is the power of patience and daily effort. When I felt tired, I remembered my dream. I wanted to understand songs. I wanted to watch movies without subtitles. I wanted to speak with friends in English. These dreams gave me energy. They pushed me forward. Dreams are like light. They shine in the dark and show you the way. So keep your dream alive. It will guide you when you feel lost. Also, remember, English is not only study, English is fun. It is fun to sing a song. It is fun to watch a movie. It is fun to read a story. Enjoy the process. If you enjoy, you will learn faster. Learning with joy is stronger than learning with fear. Think about water. Water is soft, but it can cut stone. Why? Because water does not stop. It falls again and again. Your learning is the same. If you continue, you will become strong. If you stop, you will lose your power. So be like water. Keep going, even if the steps are small. So, my friends, do not wait for tomorrow. Start today. Even 5 minutes today is good. Even one word today is a seed for tomorrow. Seeds become trees. Steps become journeys. Words become stories. Your story is waiting for you. English will help you write it. Be strong. Be patient. Be brave. Do not stop. Do not give up. Your future is waiting. Your dream is near. And English will be your friend on this journey. Part 2. Small steps, real stories. Let me tell you some small stories. When I started reading English, I was afraid. The page had many new words. My mind said, I do not understand. But I read again. I read slowly. I read many times. After some days, I understood one sentence. Later, I understood more. That was my first success. It gave me power to continue. Listening was also difficult. People spoke fast. I listened to songs, but I only heard sounds. Then one day, I caught one word. Later, I caught 2 words. Step by step, I understood the story. Music became my teacher. This made me happy. This gave me courage. Speaking was a big challenge. My grammar was not correct. My words were not enough. Sometimes people laughed. I felt shy. But then I told myself, mistakes are my teacher. So I spoke again. I spoke simple words. I said short sentences. Slowly, my voice became stronger. Slowly, my heart felt brave. Now, I know that mistakes are not bad. Mistakes help us grow. Writing was also part of my story. At first, I wrote 1 line. Later, I wrote 2 lines. I wrote about my food, my family, my day. My words were simple, but they were mine. When I looked back, I saw my progress. This made me proud. Writing helped me think in English. Writing gave me new confidence. Friends, my stories are simple, but they are true. They are also like your stories. Every learner feels fear. Every learner feels slow. But every learner also feels joy when they see progress. That joy is stronger than fear. That joy is the reason we continue. I remember a time when I wanted to stop. I felt tired. I felt slow. But then I asked myself, why did I start? I wanted to understand books. I wanted to travel. I wanted to talk with people in English. These dreams gave me energy. I told myself, do not stop. Just continue. And I continued. Later, I saw my progress. I was happy that I did not stop. Another story. One day I met a new friend. He spoke English. I was afraid to talk. But I tried. I said simple words. He smiled. He understood me. That moment gave me courage. I learned that even simple English is powerful. You do not need many words to connect. You only need heart and courage. Another day, I watched a movie. At first, I did not understand, but I listened again. I repeated some parts. Slowly, I understood more. Now, when I watch movies, I can enjoy the story. Movies became my teacher. Music became my teacher. Every sound was a lesson. Every voice was a guide. I also remember my first letter in English. It was very short. I said, "Hello? How are you? Goodbye." It was not long, but I was happy. I sent it to my friend, and he understood me. That moment showed me that small English is still real English. Even a few words can make a bridge between people. Part 3. Advice and Future. Now, let us think about your future. Imagine yourself speaking English with confidence. Imagine yourself reading a book and understanding the story. Imagine yourself traveling to another country and asking for food in English. These things are possible. They are waiting for you, but you must walk to them. You must work for them. Success is not one big jump. Success is many small steps. One new word today. One small practice tomorrow. One short story this week. One song next week. Day by day, your English will grow. Word by word, your dream will become real. Here is some advice for you. Practice every day, even 5 or 10 minutes. Do not fear mistakes. They are your teacher. Celebrate small wins. They give you energy. Be patient. Time will help you. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. Also, use English in daily life. Write your shopping list in English. Say good morning to yourself in English. Look at objects in your house and say their English names. Read English signs. Listen to English songs. Think in English when you walk, when you eat, when you rest. If English becomes your friend, you will never forget it. Make English part of your life, not only part of your study. Think about water. Water is soft, but it can cut stone. Why? Because water does not stop. It falls again and again. Your learning is the same. If you continue, you will become strong. If you stop, you will lose your power. So be like water. Keep going, even if the steps are small. Think about a tree. A tree grows slowly. Every day it becomes taller, but you cannot see it quickly. After months, after years, you see a big tree. Your English is the same. Every day you learn, your mind grows. After months, after years, you will see your big success. Be patient. Growth is slow, but growth is sure. Sometimes you will feel slow. Sometimes you will feel weak. This is normal. Do not be afraid. Do not stop. Slow progress is still progress. Even if you learn only one new word, it is important. Even if you write only one small line, it is progress. Small steps build a big road. Small seeds grow into big trees. This is the power of patience. This is the power of daily effort. Now, closing. My friends, let me say one more time. Do not stop. Do not give up. English is your friend. English is your key. English is your bridge. Use it every day. Practice every day. Believe every day. One day you will see your progress. One day you will feel your success. And one day you will smile and say, I did it. I learned. I arrived. The journey is long, but you are strong. The road is not easy, but you are brave. Step by step, word by word, day by day, you will reach your dream. So keep walking, my friends. Keep learning, my friends. Keep believing, my friends. Your future is bright. Your dream is near. And English will always walk with you. Like, comment, subscribe.